An IRS Form 1099 NEC or a non-employee compensation form is a tax form used by businesses and individuals to report payments made to independent contractors such as freelancers. It's like a record-keeping tool for the IRS to keep track of money that businesses pay to people who aren't their employees. In this video, we'll cover who gets a 1099 NEC, the filing requirements, filing deadlines, and how to file. We're eForms, the world's largest online database of fillable legal forms, and we're here to simplify everything business, legal, and tax related. To begin filling out your own 1099 NEC form, click the link at the end of this video. What's the difference between a 1099 NEC and a 1099 MIS? The 1099 NEC is used to report payments over $600 made to non-employee service providers like independent contractors, freelancers, consultants, and attorneys, whereas the 1099 MIS is used to report miscellaneous payments like rent, royalties, prizes, awards, and more. The IRS created the 1099 NEC to make it easier for taxpayers to report and for the IRS to track income outside of traditional employment. Now that you know what the 1099 NEC is for, let's take a look at some frequently asked questions. What about withholding taxes? Federal and state taxes for contractors and non-employees are the responsibility of the payment recipient and not the issuing business or individual. What happens if a 1099 NEC needs to be corrected? If for some reason the form needs to be corrected, fill out a new 1099 and mark the corrected checkbox. If the form was submitted by mistake and no payments were received, enter all zeros and then submit the corrected 1099 NEC to the IRS. Before we wrap this up, let's go over the steps to filing. Step 1, collect a W-9. In order to have the correct information for the 1099 NEC, the payer must collect a W-9 or a request for taxpayer identification number. Step 2, determine who needs a 1099 NEC. Non-employees who receive payments over $600 or more are eligible to receive a 1099 NEC. Employed individuals receive a W-2. Step 3, obtain forms. Forms can be obtained by ordering copies from the IRS, participating in the IRS's e-file program, or using software to submit. If you're submitting more than 10 1099 NECs, they must be submitted electronically. Step 4, make copies. The 1099 includes 4 copies. The first copy is for the IRS and must be submitted on an official IRS-issued document, not a PDF photocopy. You can also file online. The other 3 copies are for the recipient or non-employee, the payer, who must keep the document on file for at least 4 years, and the state tax department. Some states require a copy of one of the 1099 NECs. Certain states are in the combined federal and state filing program and are automatically forwarded 1099s when submitted. Check out the link in the description below to see specific state details. If you're ready to start filling out your own 1099 NEC, click the link in the description below. We're eForms, and we're here to help simplify complicated legal and tax matters. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful content.